Hi everyone, welcome to the Masters Education YouTube channel. This is Satya. Today our topic is passing of opening entries. It is related to journal proper. Now coming to today topic, it is opening journal entries. We are already discussed about what is an opening entry. It is on previous class. Now in this class we are take an example with explanation. Now we are coming to problem number 1. It is question from the following balances was the opening journal entries as on 1st April 2020. Here 1st April 2020 is opening year. So we are preparing opening journal with the using of previous year data. Now coming to here assets are given. It is building rupees 30,000, machinery rupees 10,000, furniture rupees 2,000, bills receivable rupees 5,000, debitors rupees 12,000, stock rupees 9,000, cash at bank rupees 15,000, cash in hand 2,000. Here it is all are related to assets. We are already discussed the pro forma of opening journal entry. Assets is debit, liabilities is credit. Why? Because assets is shows debit balance and liabilities shows credit balance. Now we are coming to liabilities. Here given liabilities are bills payable 4,000 rupees, X loan rupees 15,000 rupees. Then coming to sundry creditors, it is given amount is 20,000 rupees. Now we are going to fast journal entries or opening entries for this given data. Before going to prepare opening journals, we can change the format of questions is look like this. Assets is one side and liabilities is given another side. This format is simply understand. Now we are going to preparation or passing the journals for opening journal entry. Now we are coming to format of journal proper or opening entries format. Here we are already discussed in previous class. It's have 5 columns: date, particulars, ledger, portfolio, amount debit and amount creditor. Now we are coming to date. Date is transfer transaction date is have in here. Now coming to particulars, it is assets and liabilities column. Now assets is debit, liabilities is credit. Why? Because asset is shown debit amount anytime. Now liabilities is shown credit amount anytime. In this column, if assets is excess than liabilities, the given amount is shown as capital, it is credit side, that is right, it has 2 capital. If liabilities is more than assets, it is shown as goodwill, it is shown as debit side of the assets. Now we are going to prepare or passing journal entries for opening entries. If assets is more than the liabilities, we written as capital is credit side of the journal. Now coming to assets is add with goodwill, it is possible when assets is less than the liabilities. Now we are going to prepare opening entries. Now coming to given particular problem, this data is related to last financial year. It is 31st March 2019. Here we are preparing opening entries for this year using this data. Now coming to given assets are in one side and liabilities are another side. We are already discussed about this one. The buildings, machinery, furniture, bills receivable, debitors, stock, cash in hand, cash at bank. Here these all are related to assets. Now coming to liabilities, bills payable, X loan, sundry creditors. Here credit side is also available, some details. Now we are going to forcing or passing journal entries in the books of opening journals. Now coming to opening journal entries as on 1st April 2020, it is the format of journal entries or journal proper. We are already discussed. It have date column, particulars, ledger, portfolio, amount debit, amount credit. Here amount is based on given currency. In India, rupees is maintained. Now coming to date column. Date column is only one entry in the opening entries. Here that is 1st April 2020. Given transactions are divided as assets and liabilities. It is recorded in particulars. All assets are take is debit side and all liabilities are shown as credit side with the help of with the prefix to, using to. Now coming to another, this one, if assets is exist or more than the liabilities, we can write as to capital account. The amount is difference between assets and liabilities is written here. If liabilities is more than assets, we can consider as it is difference is goodwill. Goodwill account is created. Goodwill account to be debit. Amount is taken as the difference amount between assets and liabilities here. Now coming to given problem, here take first all assets are posting or passing debit side of the journal. Now coming to it is assets, billing 30,000, machinery 10,000, furniture 20,000, bills receivable 5,000, debitors 12,000, stock 9,000, cash in bank 15,000, cash in hand 2,000. Here all details are posting in debit side of entry and date has 1st April 2020. Here given date is 2020 1st April. Now for passing after all debit items, here it is assets, billing account 30,000, machinery account 10,000, furniture account 2,000, bills receivable account 5,000, debitors account 12,000, stock account 9,000, cash at bank 15,000, cash in hand 2,000. Here all items are calculated, total the assets. Then after we are going to the posting credit side items with prefix of to. We are passing all assets already. Now coming to liabilities, it is bills payable 4,000 rupees, X loans rupees 50,000 rupees, sundry creditors rupees 20,000 rupees. We are coming to opening journal entries on 1st April 2020. It is take as credit side to prefix with the help of 2. Now coming to bills payable account 4,000 rupees, whereas X account loan it is to X account loan 15,000 rupees, sundry creditors 20,000. The amount is taken on credit column. Now we are going to passing these entries. Now we are coming to credit balance. It is to bills payable account 4,000. Now to X loans account credit it's 15,000 rupees. To creditors account it is 20,000 rupees. We are calculating both debit side amount and credit side amount. Then after we find out difference between assets and liabilities. If assets is exceed, it is shown as to capital account. If it is liabilities is more than assets, it is shown as goodwill. It is debit side of the journal. Now we are going to calculation of both amounts. It is debit amount and credit amount. Now coming to calculation of debit amount, 30,000 plus 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 5,000 plus 12,000 plus 9,000 plus 15,000 plus 2,000. It is equal to 85,000. Total assets is equal to 85,000. Now coming to credit side, it is 4,000, 15,000, 20,000. Here 35,000 plus 4, it is 39,000. Now coming to here, compare with both balance. It is debit balance is 85,000 and credit balance is 39,000. So here assets is excess than the liabilities, or assets is more than liabilities. That's why reason we can go to the credit side has written as to capital account credit. Now difference between 85,000 and 39,000, it is equal to 46,000. This year opening balance of the capital amount, it is 46,000 rupees. Now this problem is complete. Before going to close this class, we check once all details. Now we are coming to check once all details about the following information. From the following balances. First, the opening journal entries as on 1st April 2020. Here given assets and liabilities. Assets is building 30,000, machinery 10,000, furniture 2,000, bills receivable 5,000, debtors 12,000, stock 9,000, cash at a bank 15,000, cash in hand 2,000. Here liabilities, bills payable is 4,000, X loan rupees 15,000, sundry creditors is 20,000. We are already know in the pro forma of opening journal entries, we are taking all assets are debit side and all liabilities are credit side. If assets is more than the liabilities, we can consider as remaining balance as capital. If liabilities is more than the assets, we consider as the remaining balance is goodwill. It is shown as debit side. It is related to asset side. If capital is related to liability side, we can now calculating in the pro forma of journal entries given. The date of the given is 2020 April 1st. Billing, machinery, furniture, bills receivable, debtors, account, stock, cash at bank and cash in hand. Here all items are recorded in debit side. This total of these is equal to 85,000. Now coming to credit side, it is bills payable account, whereas to X loan account and creditors account. It is all are equal to 39,000. Now compare with both balances, 85,000 with 39,000. It is more than amount of the 85,000 is assets. That's why reason we can consider as here remaining balance is capital. We can take on to prefix with capital account. It is 46,000. Now problem is completed. We are going here. Short explanation for given problem answer. Capital is equal to assets minus liabilities. Why? Because assets is more than the liabilities. That's why reason we are find out capital. Here total assets is equal to 85,000 less the total liabilities. It is total is equal to 39,000. The difference between assets and liabilities is equal to 46,000. It is capital. Now problem is completed. If you want full notes related to this class, please follow description. Here link is available to full class with on text mode. And also if you are like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel for more related videos and share with your friends.